Welcome to India Production Technology Week, India's largest and only comprehensive manufacturing technology showcase taking place from the 9th to the 11th of April 2026 at PIECC Moshi in Pune, the manufacturing capital of India. In a world where manufacturing drives progress, one platform stands above the rest, spread across 6 massive halls. Discover the complete spectrum of manufacturing solutions, from metal forming and laser technologies to machine tools and metal cutting, from welding and stamping to industrial fasteners and lubricants, from AI and digital manufacturing to automation and robotics. Be prepared to source 5,000 plus solutions under one single roof. No matter which manufacturing sector you belong to or which engineering solution you're looking for, find the right solution at India Production Technology Week. Network with 50,000 plus professionals from India, Middle East and South Asia. Discover live demos of machinery, experience new-to-market innovations, engage in leadership conferences, gain market insights at open house sessions, uncover the future of industry at the CEO Roundtable. Hear from the policymakers and flag bearers. One vision, 6 trade shows, infinite opportunities.